कृष्णाय वासुदेवाय हरये परमात्मने प्रणतः क्लेशनाशाय गोविन्दाय नमो नमः।
What if I told you that the heart of Lord Krishna is still beating in this Vigraha of Lord Krishna and there is a scientific evidence about it? Of course, it is not Jagannath Puri. In this episode of Many States One Krishna, we shall take you to a very special temple in the royal city of Jaipur, hidden within its market where the heart of Krishna is still beating and the Murti is living. After Krishna's departure from this earth, his great-grandson Vajranabha desired to see him. Based on the instructions of Uttara, the wife of Abhimanyu, he got 3 Vigrahas of Lord Krishna sculpted: Madan Mohana, Govindadev and Gopinathji. All these 3 Vigrahas looked partially like Krishna. Especially the Vigraha of Lord Gopinathji was identical to Lord Krishna's chest, in which the heart of Lord Krishna is still beating. They say that this deity of Lord Gopinathji is not just looking like Krishna, but it has the life energy of Lord Krishna within it. For centuries, this deity of Lord Gopinathji was worshipped in Vrindavana. During the Muslim invasions, the Vigraha of Lord Gopinathji was shifted to the royal city of Jaipur for safekeeping. There, in the heart of Purani Basti of Jaipur, the mysterious temple of Lord Gopinatha rose to great heights. During the 1800s, a colonial British period in India, there lived a British officer, a high-ranking officer who was a close friend of the then Maharaja of Jaipur. When he visited Jaipur, he was known for his curiosity and admiration of Indian culture. He expressed his curiosity to Maharaj of Jaipur that he no longer wanted to see any palaces and the forts of Jaipur, but he was more interested in exploring the spiritual side of Jaipur. The king thought for a moment and then took the British officer with him on a ride to Jaipur. As they rode together through the narrow lanes of the old city of Jaipur, they reached the temple of Lord Gopinathji. As they stepped inside the temple, the officer stood silently and kept observing the Vigraha of Lord Gopinatha. He stood in front of Lord Gopinatha more longer than any normal devotees would stand. There was something special inside this Vigraha. He felt that this Vigraha of Lord Krishna was different from other Vigrahas he had seen in his life. He saw that the pujaris of Lord Krishna were treating a stone deity like a person. They were offering food for him to eat. He questioned the king about this practice, and the king replied that the Vigraha had life in it. The officer didn't believe the king. He wanted the proof for it. Immediately, he took out a pulse watch from his coat's pocket and, with the permission of king, requested the pujari to keep this pulse watch on the wrist of Lord Gopinatha. The pulse watch is a small scientific device which is used to measure the heartbeat of a living person. With utmost reverence, the pujaris of Lord Gopinatha tied the watch to his left wrist. To everyone's surprise, the watch ticked. It again ticked, and not just once or twice, it started ticking in a steady rhythm as though it was put on the wrist of a living person. The king stood in wonder silently, but the officer was shaken. He was shocked. How was it even possible for a stone deity to be living? It was not any imagination or a myth, but the medical instrument confirmed it, that the deity in front of him was living. The watch was then placed beside the deity, not as a piece of offering, but as an evidence that this deity of Lord Krishna had life in it, and the heart of Lord Krishna was beating inside this Vigraha of Lord Krishna. Even today, devotees can have darshan of Lord Gopinath wearing a watch on his left wrist along with all other jewelries. This is one such temple of Lord Krishna where he wears a watch in this temple. In the heart of Jaipur, the heart of Lord Krishna beats. Anyone who has darshan of Lord Gopinatha gets the punya of having darshan of the chest of Lord Shri Krishna. Jai Shri Krishna.